All right. Hi. So today we're going to be working on L cuts and J cuts. You should have already watched the little video demonstrating what those are exactly. I'm just going to be showing you how to do it with the footage that we are going to be editing together. So you're going to open Premiere, you're going to create a new project, and you can name that project Hospital Edit, which is what I'm going to do. And then just hit enter. Once you've done that, your screen should look similar-ish to this. If it doesn't, if you ever need to reset what your workspace looks like, I always go to Window, Workspaces, Editing. Boom. It'll reset to that workspace. So I'm going to go File, Import, and I'm going to find the videos that I have saved to my desktop. You should have downloaded them from the link I gave you. I have them all in here in hospital videos. So I'm going to import all of these, and then importantly, I'm going to get all my videos on the timeline, right? So if you click one video, like I'm going to click this one at the top, you scroll down to the last video and hold shift, it'll select all your videos. When you drag those onto the timeline, it'll make a project out of those videos. Now, it's going to be up to you to sort of go through and make sure that these are in order. I'm not going to be doing that. I'm just showing you how to accomplish the project, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom into my timeline here. If you mouse over the timeline and hold Alt and use the scroll on your mouse to scroll in, you can zoom in, and you can also use these bars on the side to make things bigger or smaller, right? So I'm going to make the audio bigger. I like to be able to see the waveforms, which is kind of these little mountains and peaks here in the audio. Those are your waveforms. So I like to be able to see those. Anyways, so we see here. I don't know if this is in order or not. And obviously you'll have to cut out the things like this, like the scene, action, all that. Cut all that out. I'm not doing that. I'm just showing you how to accomplish the project. So once you've cut everything out and everything is in order, you're going to be making L cuts and J cuts. All right, so to accomplish this, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to unlink your footage from the audio. If you don't remember how to do that, it's easy. You just right-click anywhere in the empty blue space and click unlink. That way you can edit your audio and your footage independently, right? Because otherwise they're linked together, and if you edit one, you edit both. So the first one we're going to do is a J cut. So a J cut is when I would want the audio from the next clip to come in before the video of the next clip. So for a J cut, I would shrink my video down here, and then I would have this audio coming in. So then I would then move this video clip over. So the way you'll be able to do this, right, is you have sort of like that headroom at the beginning and at the end of clips where things aren't happening, or where the cut is taking place, where someone's saying action. So you'll kind of use those dead spaces. Anyway, so this is a J cut. Now I have my audio starting before the video ends. Now the opposite of that is an L cut. So I'm going to have my video start here before my audio kicks in. And what I've done is I've kind of clipped up the part here where the doctor is telling the patient she has cancer. I'm going to unlink these so that I can remove the clip of the doctor. And then I'm going to unlink these so I can use this video in this spot. And then he's telling her she has cancer. Right, so that would be an example of an L cut. Now, what you could do if you want to get really creative is you can kind of create a back and forth where instead of actually deleting this whole clip, you delete a section of it to put this in, and then you get sort of a back and forth. And just like that, you have more dynamic scenes. If anyone has questions, please don't hesitate to ask, and I'll be walking around checking to make sure everybody understands what we're doing.